What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning, and welcome to this video in which I wanted to take a quick look at the Kyber network Crystal V2, or just the KNC token. Let's keep it with that. After today was actually very bullish, I'd say. It's up 30%, obviously within these markets that's a huge gain. Apart from that, volume is also up to 500 million, which is amazing too. Volume dropped down quite a bit for KNC over like the last 3 months, that's quite visible. Dropped down quite a bit, while it was very high in this whole uptrend we had gotten going on that started in January. And it's actually pretty sad, I think, because we started that uptrend in January, got up there at the beginning of May, or the end of April, I'd rather say, and we actually dropped down all the way in half a month down to the same levels as January, which is pretty heartbreaking, I'd say. And even though other cryptos are almost all cryptos are down from their price points at the beginning of January, but still KNC, I don't think it deserved that, because I was there along the whole way when it went up, and I did not expect that to fall this hard. And I also think the moves we're making right now are a symptom of that, because I think it was actually punished a little bit too much. Okay, I need to delete that. Yeah. So I think it was punished a little bit too much. So we did some great things today, but there are still some obstacles to actually get higher. The main thing we did with KNC, which is great, so let's get on to the graph and the actual price analysis. The main thing we did that was great was breaking this 236 fib, around $2.15, that is. So we found resistance at that level because it's a bigger key level between 2.35 and 2.1. We took two rejections off of that level a couple of days ago, 5 days ago, and yesterday. Now we've broken above that, but when I did the analysis, it actually looked like we were breaking above this 2.35 level as well, which would be amazing, because if we actually break above 2.35, then I think we can actually get to this level here at $3. That's also my price target. I still think we can reach that, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult, because it doesn't look like we're breaking above 2.35 soon. So the main thing we should do now, and I still think that's the most likely scenario, is that we're going to drop down to this level here between 2.15 and 2.1, which is a very strong level. You got a lot of lines there, so that means a lot of confluences, and I think we are going to find support there. The tough part is that support strong enough to actually let us break above 2.35, because that's the main thing we need to do. As soon as we break above 2.35, we're going up to that level around $3, which I think we'll reject pretty hard of, but that doesn't matter that much. It's still great that we have actually reached that, and after we've reached that and rejected off of that, I'll probably do another update depending on how well this video will be received, of course, as well. But something like that would be ideal, but it could also be that like we need to consolidate a little bit like this within this level. And for that, the rule applies that as long as we stay above 2.1, I still think this is going to happen. But the moment we actually drop down below 2.1, then we would probably also drop down to 1.75, 1.8, that level. At that moment, I think that move up to $3 is at least postponed, if not that it will not happen for quite a long time, because this is really a test, really an important test what we're doing right now. And if we cannot keep up these levels and get up to $3, I don't think we'll break that 2.35 level soon. So it's really up to that 2.15, 2.11 level. Whether we can actually find a strong break retest off of that, and whether we can actually hold that for a longer period of time, so at least a couple of days, I'd say. So that's basically my analysis for now on KNC. Now, if you do have any questions about anything I said or about the analysis in general, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.